In this section, we will implement the delete user feature, the last functionality of the user management module. Here's our task list in this section. First, we need to show a delete confirmation dialog. When the user click the delete hyperlink next to a user here, you see when the user click delete hyperlink next to a user he wants to delete, the confirmation dialog appears. And then if the user chooses to delete as a selected user, Java Servlet is invoked. So we need to create the delete user service class, and we also need to update the user services class accordingly to delete the selected user from the database. And this is a design of the user confirmation dialog that asks the user to confirm the deletion of